Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to download Roblox on Android in 2026. The first and foremost thing you need to make sure is that you're either connected to a Wi-Fi or a mobile data network. If you're connected to a Wi-Fi network, then a Wi-Fi icon will be seen on your status bar. If you're connected to a mobile data network, 4G or 5G should be seen next to your network tower. After that, what you can do is head over to settings, scroll down, hit about phone, hit software information and make sure that your Android version is 8.0 or higher. This phone is running Android 16, so we're good to go. What you can do next is head over to your app drawer search bar and then search for Play Store. Tap on Play Store and then in the search bar of Play Store simply search for Roblox. Hit go or enter on your keyboard and then hit install right next to No Blocks. Before you try to download any apps from the Play Store, you must ensure that you are signed in to your Google account. If not, then you'll be prompted to sign into your Google account, in which you'll have to enter your credentials and sign into your Google account before downloading any apps. After you have installed Roblox, you can simply open it, log in, and start playing games. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.